How to change system language in Windows 10 or 11. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start the video. So come to the window, okay, and you can go to the settings here, search for setting in your search bar and go to the setting, and you need to find here in setting language setting. Okay, just come to the language setting. So here you can see the window display language, okay, and here why I have that English and English you can kind of, or you can simply directly search here the Windows display language. Okay, so here the language setting directly, this link you can open, so it will be take you here. Now you can add the another language. Okay, you can add language from this list. Okay, you can add Chinese, Japanese, any other language. Okay, you can search language from here and select that language and just click on next. So here you can see the option language features, language speak, text to speech, basic handwriting. See as my window display language. If you want to see this same language as a window display language, you can set it as a window display language and just install it. After installations, you will see you need to hit that installations. After you complete installation, you can see the language here. So you can simply select that language. Okay, it will be select automatically. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.